Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hairstyles. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these beautiful cornrows. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. Hi, so this is called a 360 degrees self-barber mirror. You can get this on Temu, on Shein, on Amazon. I am using La Fresh hair wax. Yes, I also got this wristband that holds the gel, all bobby pins from Shein as well. Yes, so I'm going to be starting at the back and I'm going to be doing cornrows all the way, no braids, just cornrows. Yes. So first I apply gel on the sectioned part and then I start cornrowing with my hair as I add in the Brazilian wool braiding extensions. If you have other hair extensions, you can use that as well. I think they would look neater than Brazilian wool. And if you're looking at my reflection in the mirror, your heaven is view once. Yes, so let's focus. So I have a lot of videos on how to cornrow on hair, on how to feed in your cornrows. Please check them out. Yes, so I continue cornrowing as I add in the extensions, and I'm going to be doing like 3 cornrows on the first row. So I continue braiding and I'm going to be doing loose braids. As you can see, fluffy loose braids. I loosen my grip going down. So I want my should I call it a rope, a braid, that one, to be chunky and big and fluffy. So I loosen the grip. Yeah, so that is how the first row looks, and I'm going to be doing that to the rest of my hair. So this is how the second row looks like. Yes, fun fact, I braided this hair at 5 a.m. in the morning. Can you imagine? The things we do for content. So continue braiding and then feed in. I feed in 3 times, yes, depending on how long the cornrow is. So make sure you loosen your grip if you want to make a fluffy braid. Hydration time, baby, and this is the time where you start second guessing all your life decisions, because tell me why, it all starts off fun and then it gets to a point where you're like, why did I do this? Yeah, but all in all, braiding my hair is fun, it is pain, it is beautiful, it is everything. Yeah. So this is how the third row looks like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do natural hair tutorials, I do makeup tutorials, skincare, a little bit of everything about beauty. Please subscribe to my channel, tap on the notification bell and join the family. So I divided like 2 sections in the front band, and I am going to be doing 3 cornrows on each side. So I am done with braiding, and this hairstyle took me about 2 hours. Yes, I started at 5 a.m. and at by 6:30 I think I was done. Braiding my hair. So the self barber mirror makes it easier. Yes, because you don't have to take a lot of time guessing where your lines are gonna pass and all of that. Yes, that makes it easier to braid if you have a self-braiding mirror where you can see yourself in the back, in the front and all the sides. And this is how the hair is looking. So I am using the same gel to do my edges. I am also going to be applying some hair mousse, and I use ORS olive oil wrap and set mousse. You can use any mousse that works best for you. So the purpose of the mousse is to make sure all those fly away hair, those small hair that stay standing, they all lay down, all sleep. Yes, so I set it with a satin wrap. You can use a dryer for this, or you can let it air dry as you do your makeup. And when the makeup is done, let's take off the scarf and see what we have. And okay, this is self-explanatory. I think you can see how neat his hair looks. So I'm going to be applying La Fresh hair sheen spray. So the purpose of the spray is to give the hair some extra shine, and it also helps to melt the white casts from the gel. So if you happen to see some white casts in your hair while using gel, please apply some oil or some spray. So what do you think about this hairstyle? Is it a 10? I think it is. This is actually very pretty and very cute. can also be styled like this. You get the 2 pieces in front and tie them at the back, and this, it looks better this way, if I must say. Yes, I really love this hairstyle. Please try it out. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Love you.